Hi, my name is Matheus Araújo, and I believe that you, as us, believe that auscultation should be done in every children. Every children deserve a chance in the case that they do have some kind of pathological murmur in their hearts to receive a more accurate intervention if necessary. And we try to do one step towards this idea with the Maiby's algorithm. We believe that with machine learning, we can build models that are scalable and still with high quality to perform automatic auscultation. The Maiby's algorithm tries to leverage one feature, some features from the Maiby spectrograms. The idea here is that absent murmur heart sounds look like these on the top here. They are cleaner. So this image here is a Maiby spectrogram of 2 seconds of a heart sound. So you can see that those heart sounds who doesn't have murmur, they are clear. Really, when you look at this, according to our visual cortex, right? It's a clear heart sound with very distinguishable heartbeats. But on the bottom here, we see an example of a heart sound, right? A Maiby spectrogram for a 2-second heart sound that has a murmur. And you can see that they have long and low pitch artifacts. And these artifacts are the murmurs itself. So with Maiby's algorithm, we try to leverage this feature, creating a two-stage deep learning model that, given a set of heart sounds from a patient, we can classify if this patient has murmur or not. And how does this work? First, we train the first stage here, which is able to, given a 2-second Maiby spectrogram, extract features from it, important features after being trained. And these features, which is represented by each square here in this diagram, these features are concatenated with other features from other Maiby spectrograms from the same patient. That becomes the input of a second model that will predict if the patient has or not murmur. This is our idea here. We leverage the PhysioNet 2022 dataset to do this this work. This dataset has thousands of heart sounds collected from children in Brazil, and they were verified by specialists, so they distinguish if they do have murmur or not. And what we try to do here is to mimic what humans are able to do. Just for a set of example here, we reach a sensitivity of 0.76 and a specificity of 0.85. And when compared to humans, in previous works, humans are able to reach 78% of sensitivity and 92% of specificity. And with this work, we show that automatic auscultation is possible, and we are close to reach that. Please take a look at our work and feel free to ask questions. Thank you.